How to fix this app is not available in Google Play in your reason. If any day you're trying to just download a very application on your mobile device, but that very application is not working by showing the very problem like this, do not worry as we had follow the following steps and the very problem will be solved. For this, first of all, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Play Store out there. After you search Play Store out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very Play Store out there, and this way Play Store will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to tap on the search icon out there and search VPN there. After you search VPN there, now you can see the various kind of list of the VPN that are found. You can just tap on very one option out there. For example, I tapped on VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. You can tap on any of those, and after you tap on those, you have to just install the very application of VPN on your mobile device. I've already installed the very VPN and downloaded the VPN on my mobile device, therefore an interface like this has been shown. But if you have not downloaded and installed the VPN, you can just go to the option of install, and then this way the VPN will be downloaded on your mobile device. After you've installed the very VPN on your mobile device, you can go to the option of open and just open the very VPN on your mobile device. Now with the help of VPN, you can change the region of your very place or the place that you are. This way your location will be changed and you can just download any of the application that are not on your very region. For example, I live in Nepal, and in Nepal if there are the applications that are not being able to download, I can just change my region with the help of VPN. Therefore I have to launch the very VPN and change the very country. For that you can go to the option of accept and continue. After you tap on accept and continue, you can see the face like this. Now you can go to the option of start the free trial, and after tapping on start a free trial, you can see the option of adding credit or debit card. If you add a credit or debit card, you can use the very account very nicely. Otherwise you can go to the option of proceed with ads and limitations, and you can change your very location by tapping on that, and this way you can change your reason. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.